video is going to help you to calculate RF factors. The first thing that I want you to do is get to your lesson and look to see where this is on your paper, because I want you to go ahead and use a ruler to measure the distance. The RF is the distance the spot traveled divided by the distance the mobile phase traveled. The first thing that we're going to do is the RF of the brown spot. I'm going to go the distance the spot traveled. I'm going to start from this beginning point here and go to the center of the spot, which would be about right there. So I would measure that distance with my ruler. What I got was 4.60 centimeters. Okay, and then I'm going to divide that by the distance the mobile phase traveled. The distance the mobile phase traveled on this particular is at that starting point. Even though the mobile phase started down here, we're going to start what I call the starting point. Your mobile phase is the line that's been drawn when you did the Monster Monkey lab. It was the junction between wet and dry. So the distance from here to here on your homework is 5.75 centimeters. So when you divide those, what you come out to get is 0.800 as an RF factor. Notice you've got 3 sig figs on both of your measurements, and so you need to add the extra 2 zeros at the end, which are significant. The RF factor for the red spot, once again, you would start from your starting line. Okay, common mistake is to start down at the bottom. Don't start down here. Start at the starting line where the spot was placed. So from where the spot was placed to the center of the spot, with my calculations, that was 3.90. Since this is the same chromatogram or chromatography strip, the distance the mobile phase traveled is going to be the same. So when you do your Monster Monkey lab, this bottom number, the distance the mobile phase traveled, would be the same for one strip. So when I do the calculations here, the number comes out to be 0.678. There's no units on that. It's kind of a percentage. If we look at the brown spot, this is indicating that it's about 80% up. But if you look at it, this does look about 80%. The red spot, if you look at that number, it looks like it's about 67% up. And if you look at that, I would agree that that looks like about 67% up from the bottom of the spot. The things that we know about the spots is because our mobile phase was very polar, we know that the things towards the top are going to be polar because they hung out with the mobile phase and moved more. The things that hang down here at the bottom are going to be more non-polar because they hung out with our stationary phase, which is paper, which is non-polar. Watch this video a couple of times. I hope you get it really fast, and we'll see you in class soon.